What activities are available in Donegal Town? If you are curious about what activities you can enjoy in Donegal Town, you are in for a treat. This charming town offers a mix of history, culture, and outdoor fun that will keep you entertained. First up, history lovers will want to visit Donegal Castle. Located right in the town center, this castle is a fantastic spot for self-guided tours. You can wander through its halls and learn about its fascinating past. Just a short walk away, you will find the Abbey of the Four Masters and the Four Masters Monument. These sites honor the Franciscan monks who documented important events in Irish history. If you appreciate architecture, check out the local churches. The Gothic-style Church of Ireland, built in the 1820s, is a must-see. There is also St. Patrick's Catholic Church, the Methodist Church, and the Presbyterian Church, each with its unique charm. For those interested in rail history, the Donegal Railway Heritage Centre is a fun stop. You can explore interactive exhibits, restored train cars, and even try a steam engine simulator. It is a great way to learn about the region's rail history. Now, let's talk about outdoor activities. The Donegal Waterbus offers a delightful sightseeing cruise that lasts about 75 minutes. You can enjoy stunning views of Donegal Bay, spot seals, and see historic sites like Donegal Abbey and St. Ernan's Island ruins. If you prefer to stay on land, the River Eske and Riverbank Walk provide lovely walking routes. These paths are perfect for a leisurely stroll while soaking in the natural beauty around you. For those seeking more adventure, the Bluestack Way is a popular hiking trail. It showcases the rugged terrain and offers breathtaking views. When it comes to local experiences, the Diamond is the heart of Donegal Town. This central square is lively and features statues like the Red Hugh O'Donnell statue. You can also visit Donegal Craft Village, where you can browse and buy handmade Irish crafts. For a taste of local culture, many pubs and venues host traditional Irish music and dance sessions. It is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local traditions. If you are traveling with family, parks like Donegal Playground and Parc Tir Canal provide great outdoor spaces for kids to play. Donegal Town truly has something for everyone. Whether you want to explore historical landmarks, enjoy scenic walks, or experience local music, you will find plenty to keep you engaged in this vibrant town.